Happy birthday, Juliana. I miss you so much, all the way from Cebu. Wait, my microphone din ako, like same kay Jai, pero nawala siya. So, I wanna make you laugh, but I also wanna make you cry. Pero feel ko hindi ko kaya for this video. So for this video, we're gonna talk about. So for this video, oh my god. So for this video, we're gonna talk about 3 reasons why Juliana is the best. Okay, let's start. Reason number 1. Okay, reason number 2, her cats, and reason number 3. Okay, thanks for watching. All jokes aside, I'm really happy that I grew to become sorry. And I grew to become closer with you, typical line, even at the start of our QATS group, like just the beginning of the group mismo. I thought since we were never that close, even with me and Lucky, Jai is okay, I don't know. Kala ko talaga, okay, hanggang doon lang ako. Oh my gosh, like hanggang doon lang yung friendship natin. But I proved myself wrong. I'm really happy that we grew to become, you know, sorry, like I'm not matutunan from you. June, my gift for you is this advice. I think you should love yourself more. Ako din yung nasasaktan para sa'yo. You're such an amazing person, and you don't see that. You really don't. Not enough, at least. Wala na ako dyan para mamahal sa'yo the way I can. At least you love yourself the way I would love you. Oh my gosh, please. I love you, Juliana. Happy 18th birthday, and I wish you the best in everything that you do, you did, and you will do in the future. Bye, Julia.